Hello everybody and welcome to FCE 365. My name is George and in this video we're gonna bypass an iPhone 4S, an iPhone 5 and an iPhone 6. So we're gonna bypass the A5 based phones which has the A5 chip on it. So what we need for this technique to work is an iPhone 5.2 8.3.1 restore IPCU, which I have here, and some applications that I'll put in the description. I'm gonna compile them as an archive, a zip file, and I'm gonna put them in the description without any survey or without any, I don't know, without any links to adware or viruses. So don't be aware of that. Well, what we need to do is to get this file and this website opened, the iPhone wiki, and search for STOWI 12F70 iPhone 5.2 because we speak about an iPhone 5.2 with iOS 8.3 and this baseband, but it will work if you have another baseband, but you have to search right for your phone. If you have an iPhone 5.1, you have to download your iPhone 5.1 IPCU from here. As you can see here, if you click, you can download an iPhone IPCU, and this is the key we're gonna need. We're gonna Control C or copy this key from RAM disk, root file system. And after that, what we need to do is to decompile this IPCU file in order to access its content. So it's not something very hard to do. We don't need additional programs. We only need to change its format into zip. And there we go. It's a zip file. We will open with WinRAR. There we go. And we need to extract from here this DMG file, which is a Mac disk image, the bigger one. You have to take the bigger one. Now this operation will take some minutes, from a minute to 2 minutes. So I'm gonna press pause to this video until it rises to 99 or 98 in order to shorten this video. So see you then. There we go. We're almost done, and we have to wait until the file rises to the desktop. There we go. So we don't close this archive. We have to delete the file that we extracted to the desktop, because yeah, we have to replace this file. There we go. We have to replace this this file with the file that was modified by us, and it's not modified yet, but we're gonna modify it. So this is the archive. We're gonna put it here, and this is the file that I extracted. It's a DMG, and you probably want to ask me, what would I do with a DMG file? I'm not on the Mac. Yes, and that's why we need TransMac and another program from applications, because yeah, I have a Mac, but you probably don't have a Mac, and if I made this tutorial on a Mac, not all of us could follow this tutorial. So I'm gonna make it on Windows, because anyone have a Windows computer on a home. Well, we're gonna need now, for the next step, iDecrypt it. Going here, open iDecrypt. It's not a console application, don't worry. It's a user interface based application, so you don't have to mess with some line of codes. This is the interface of the application. We need to select import file, click here, go to desktop and select this, which is DMG that we downloaded. Now it asks us for a key. It's not a key such a serial number for activating the program. The key is the key that we got from here. This is the key. Please bear in mind that this key is different from iPhone to iPhone and from iOS to iOS and version of the iPhone and baseband. So please search this site for your own key. or ask me to give you the key. I'll give you the key if you tell me which one. We're gonna click decrypt. This CMD prompt will appear, and it will start the coding up for decrypting this DMG file. It will create on desktop another file like this, which will be decrypted. The difference is that after the 7 we have 3 decrypted. No, only decrypted. After 7, 3. So we have to wait this until it starts, because the file have only 0 byte for the moment, but it will start to decompile. I'm gonna wait for it. If it takes too long, I'm gonna put pause again, but as you can see, this line is starting and is increasing. It have to increase till the end. So I'm gonna wait for it to increase, but I'm gonna put this video on pause, and I'll play again the video when it starts to changes. So there we go, it's almost done. This progress bar is already about to finish. So let's continue our tutorial. I shortened this video not to take too long, so it was useless to let it shoot all this progress bar chargement. So yeah, it's almost done. We wait for it. This is the file that we need. Waiting for the program to do whatever it's gonna do. As you can see, this line is still green. It finally disappeared, the progress bar. So this is the file. The file is still 0 bytes, but only in Windows it's seen like this. After I refresh my computer, I click refresh, the file got its actual size, which is about 2 gigabits. Now we have to close this. You can get keys from here. For example, if you go iPhone 4S with version 8.1.3, click get keys. And after you click get keys, you're gonna get your root VS key. This is the key that you need for here, for your file, not to go to this if you don't want to go to this website. So after that, this is the original file. This is the modified file. We want to modify it again, so we're gonna use transmac for this. It's available as a trial for 50 days. I'm gonna open disk image, go to desktop, select decrypted version, open it, and there we go. We have access to the folders. So what we have to do now is to go to applications and set up that app. You don't have to delete it because the file will not have anymore the exact same size and your iPhone will reject it. You rename it like utme.app. There we go. So this is what you need to do. Now we're gonna make it bigger like this. You don't have to delete anything else. Go back here, close this folder, close this image, close the program. And so we need to get the name of this file, Control C, delete the file, the original file, modify the name of the file like the original. You don't have to be decrypted, so you modify with the original name. There we go. And now open back the restore iPhone archive from where you get the file and put the file back here. Click OK, and you have to wait for it to be updated in this archive. So it's gonna take a little bit because it's bigger than it was before. And yeah, I'm gonna put the pause again because I don't want this video to be 20 minutes. There we go, it's almost done. We almost updated in this archive. There we go. This is the actual firmware. You can delete this one. And you can close this. And now the process needs to make this back again as a IPSU. So we change its extension and make it an IPSU again. There we go. This is the IPSU that we need to restore. But never restore with iTunes, because iTunes will give you error 14, because this IPSU got modified and got bigger than it was. Whatever. So we have to use Pangu, this blue Pangu, and restore function. So you connect your iPhone. I don't have my iPhone 5 here, but you connect your iPhone and not click jailbreak, but restore here. Keep user data during the restoration, but only available for upgrade. And you choose or modified data. So you click this only if you upgrade. And if you connect your iPhone, you'll start restore. I don't have my iPhone right here, but I let you try and you will tell me that it worked. For sure. And for network, you follow my tutorial on the internet about how to fix the network with Sam. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll put the link for applications in the description. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.